everyone. I hope everyone's weekend is going well, or went well so far. It is Sunday. I just wanted to come on right quick and do a DIY wreath. I wanted to add some more holiday cheer to my selfie mirror that's in between my dining room and living room. So I decided I might as well turn the camera on and take you guys with me along the process. It's really simple and easy. All of the items came from Walmart or they were free. I want to say I didn't even spend maybe $20 on this DIY. Matter of fact, I know I didn't spend over $15. So, if you're interested, just come along with us and let's get this holiday wreath put together. Okay, so I'm gonna go over all of the materials that I use to put it together one by one so you can see what items I use. When you get ready to assemble yours, you can, change up the variation of colors, sizes, whatever you like. Just do it to your specifications. So the first thing that you're gonna need is this little metal hanger. This is what you hang the wreath over the door, or in my case over the mirror with. This came, my mistake, this is the only thing that was from Dollar Tree, so it was $1. I showed this in a previous haul. These were in a pack, pumpkin filler at Walmart. I want to say they of course probably came orange, but I don't like the traditional colors, so I just DIY'd them and took different shades of pink and started overlapping each color so they would be the perfect shade that I needed. I got 2 of these pumpkins from Walmart. They were 98¢. I'm not going to change the color because I like the cream and gold. My house is cream, gold, silver, pink, and gray. So these were already in the color scheme that I needed. I got a pack of pearls from Walmart in their arts and crafts section. It was less than $1. The pine cones were free. It's 2 of them. I got these from my grandma's yard, so I didn't need to spend any money. What I did was just take some acrylic paint in the colors that are in my home so that they would match. I got a letter C for my initial. It was only 25¢, also from the arts and crafts section. This rose bush, I want to say it's about 3, 6, maybe 7 different roses on there, and it was $3 from the floral section in Walmart. And then the last part, which is also most important, is the actual grapevine wreath. This came from Walmart for $5, so it's a pretty good size. So those are all of the pieces that we're going to need for this quick DIY. And to assemble, you can use any type of glue you like. I use E6000 and a hot glue gun. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat my hot glue gun and we will start assembling the wreath. Okay guys, so to start off, these stems are pretty long, so I just took some of my pliers I used to make jewelry with and went in and cut down all of the roses off of the bush, and then later on I went in and cut them a little smaller. So I started off with the first pumpkin, and you just have to make sure when you're using a hot glue gun you let it sit on there for a couple seconds to give it time to dry properly. As you can see with this rose, I ended up going back and cutting more stem off so that I could stick it inside of the wreath a little easier. And I just alternated between the pumpkins and the flowers to get it done. I had a picture of how I wanted it to look, so at this point I'm almost finished. So that's what I would suggest to make it easy for you, is to sit down and map out how you want it to look and just play with the arrangement of the different pieces before you actually glue everything down. At this point, everything is already prearranged how I wanted it to be. So I'm just going in and adding my last set of flowers. Once everything is down where I want it, I'm going in with the hot glue gun to just secure it a little bit more. So I just went on each piece and added more glue. After that, the final step, well, the second to last step, was for me to take off of the leaves and fill in all of the gaps with leaves. And I made sure I went around and filled in any spaces because I wanted to come back and add my pearls. So I was just showing you, you don't need a lot. I just basically added a strip of pearls inside of the stem of each leaf. So you can use whatever extra embellishments you like. I just prefer pearls for this project. And once you add the strip of pearls, you're pretty much done. So when I was ready to hang it up, I just took my time and fluffed out each leaf because I wanted the pearls to be able to show. And I would suggest that if you do use these pearls, to make sure you just add a little bit of hot glue so that they stay adhered properly. So we are all done. I'm just going to show you a couple different positions where I had it in my house. Leave me a comment below letting me know what was your favorite place for it to be hung. And if you're new, I'd love to have you as a part of the family. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.